I don't know who has created or who is creating awareness for the marinas. I have created enough awareness against the marinas. I have launched a front called Anti-Marina People's Movement. I have already held meetings in 3-4 villages. I have talked to my people and I have already told them that we don't want marinas in our constituency. Because in a place like Naushi, marinas are an environmental hazard. We don't want marinas at the cost of loss of livelihood of local people. I have made it amply clear to the government, to the Chief Minister, and I believe the government is also dropping the idea of having marinas there. There may be certain elements who are trying now to convince people, including those who want to put the marinas in these places, why marinas are necessary. I believe such a meeting was called at Hotel Mandavi or somewhere. I was not invited. As MLA of that area, they should have called me first and I would have asked them certain questions. Just calling certain people in a place far off like in a hotel and telling them, I think it's a joke. And if those Panchayat Sarpanch have gone there, they haven't told me yet. And because they should have first asked who is calling the meeting, why you are having it there. You have it in our Panchayat. You have an open meeting among the public. You tell the public about pros and cons of marinas. Why you are calling certain people to 5-star hotels and holding parties there? People have not been taken into confidence, that much I know sure. At least people of Naushi have not been taken into confidence. They are all opposing. We will not allow marinas to come up at Naushi, Siridao or anywhere where there is a seafront in my constituency. That much I can say. We don't want marinas. We want some purposeful business which will help tourism. I am developing the place at Siridao on the lines of Donapaula. Now already I have reclaimed the entire hillock. Now I have to beautify that place. After we do it, I think Siridao will be one of the major tourist